A not so long time ago, in a galaxy not too far away, two intrepid heroes are traveling across the universe. Hans Olus and his crew have received instructions on how to reach the inverse universe. Their instructions are in the form of a function. But to get to the inverse universe, they need to find the inverse of the function. The crew can only initiate their ship's warp drive if the function and its inverse meet, so accuracy is paramount. Some of the crew members do not know what an inverse function is, let alone how to find it. If you remember, for a function f of x, every x value produces only and only one y value. Simply speaking, the inverse of a function is a way to undo a function. In other words, if you were given a y value, an inverse function will give you back your original x value. For every point, finding the inverse is easy. You just switch the positions of the x and y coordinates. So, for example, if we're given the point P, 5, 3, the inverse of this point is p to the power of -1, 3, 5. That was simple. But what about a function? Finding a function's inverse is just a tad bit trickier. First, you should know about the vertical line test. An equation is a function if it passes the vertical line test. Using a line parallel to the y-axis, if the line crosses the graph of your target equation at one and only one point for each x value, then you can be sure the equation is a function. If an equation does not pass the vertical line test, then it is not a function. Let's see if this equation passes the vertical line test. All linear equations, or equations with degree 1, pass the vertical line test. This linear equation is no different. It passes with flying colors. Now we can write this equation in function notation. In order to find out if...
To keep on learning, just follow the link in the video description. You'll get the full video and lots of fun interactive practice problems to test your knowledge.